G'day everyone, this is Daniel O'Grady. Welcome to another video, another WasabiCars video. I hope you're doing well. And I've taken to trawling the car parks of pachinko parlors, chain shopping centers in the hunt for interesting cars. And I can see MITSUBISHI, oops, I'm in the way. DELICA 4-wheel drive, one of about one that I get to see semi-regularly, and only because I check out car parks. But I'm on the hunt for something in particular, and I can see it right there. So let me just do a bit of a spin around in the car park. So it's a nice evening, isn't it? So yeah, the deal is I'm after work. It's about the only time I can sort of get some free time, so I'm shooting some footage, and I'm going to be showing you some cars, I guess basically around dusk, late afternoon. It's a nice time of the day. We'll get back to that Subaru Unicorn in just a sec, but what I like to do is car spotting, so allow me to show you some of the interesting cars I have seen lately. And we are back again at today's feature car, which is a Subaru Impreza S201 STi. And it is a car that I've dropped by to visit on a few different occasions, and the first time I saw it, well, I didn't know what to make of it. I had never heard of it. In fact, let's listen to hear what I said as I walked around it. Is it OEM? That's interesting. Looks like it could be. S201? Wow, is this like a thing? Is this like a thing? Well, now we all know it is a thing, but this is what makes car spotting such an enjoyable hobby, if not an informative video. Well, what a striking vehicle the S201 is. Two-tone, but in all the wrong ways. I do like quirky though, and the S201's body kit is that. The three most striking aspects of the aero styling, in my humble and questionable opinion, are the front bumper with its prominent jawline, the bulky rear bumper, and the two-layered bookshelf on the boot lid, presumably for people who like to read on the go. And we are going to take a left turn here because I have just gotten in a fresh batch of WasabiCars stickers and they need homes. So if you'd like to grab one or two or three or four, and they do get cheaper the more you get, go to wasabicars.com/shop.html, and it's the first thing there. So yeah, grab some stickers and support the cause. Now, one thing I find particularly interesting about this car, and that is the overall condition. If you have a good look at it, closely, you'll see it is somewhat weathered. Could this be a daily driven car? Well, I do know it is a daily driven car, but there's something hard to believe about that given its rarity. Also hard to believe is that it hasn't been heavily modified. In fact, it looks to be stock. The only mod that jumps out to me are those chrome strips on the doors. And I can't imagine they are too popular in the tuning community. Now, there is of course a bunch of things I didn't say about this rare and special car, but that's between you and Google. Truly, my joy is to find these cars, learn a little bit about them for myself, and then move on to the next thing. That's what I enjoy, that's what I'm going to keep on doing. And I do hope you're going to join me next Saturday for another video. I'm going to try and bring you some Rust. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't done already, and also drop by WasabiCars on all the socials. I'm not prolific, but I do post stuff that I truly believe in and will be of interest to you all. So please, I'll see you then. And I'll hopefully see you next Saturday. See ya!